Welcome to NicoleBarr.com. This short video will walk you through 4 features on our website that may help you with inventory and ordering Nicole Barr jewelry. The first feature I'd like to show you is called My Inventory Report with Pictures. So log in, then click My Account, and here it is, My Inventory Report with Pictures. And this is the most common one. It's total ordered, and this is the date range if you want from the beginning. Just leave that alone. And then you can choose either by SKU, the product code, or by relevance, which we call matching. So it puts the earrings and brooches together in the same family and design. And then just run your report. And there it is. And if you want to print it, you can either print there or save it to your computer or print from here as a PDF. So that's quite handy. And the other reports we have our Stock Take Complete Collection. That's the whole catalog with prices. Mini Catalog is the whole catalog but without prices. So say if you wanted to show your customer. And then this one is Sales Report with no pictures. And say for this one we choose by product code. And this is handy because you have the date it was first ordered and the date it was last ordered. The next feature is called the wish list. Obviously, you can use this to mark items that you'd like to order in the future, or perhaps just star items that you have had in the past as a reminder. So obviously this is our catalog, and that's all you need to do is put in the star. Say you want to order these later, it just keeps a reminder. And then if you want to see what you've added, you go into My Account and then just hit Wish List. These ones here, for example, were ones that this customer has ordered in the past. And also, if you have seen a rep and you would like them to mark down items that you were interested during the visit but wanted to order later, they'd be happy to do that for you, just to go on to your account and mark them for you. The next feature is My Shopping Basket. Obviously, these are items that you've placed in your shopping cart, and the beauty of our shopping cart is it continues to grow until you submit your order. For example, you can place things in your shopping basket every day, and then on Friday you might decide, okay, I'm ready to submit my order. So there are all the items that you've added, and they stay there until you carry on to the next step and you process your order. The last feature I'd like to mention, it's called Web Orders. And here you can see details of orders you've placed online before. You can save a PDF or copy of the order to your computer. You can also duplicate your orders. So this is the order it's going to duplicate that was placed on September 2019. Hit duplicate, and then if you want to see that, you actually go into your cart, and there was that order plus any other orders that you added on. And this gives you a chance, say I don't want this brooch, it was on that order, you can just remove that from the cart. And this can be handy if there's some bestsellers that you always want to make sure that you have in stock. and then just simply submit your order. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.